Some additional quick things to know about Yahoo Finance that are extremely important to know: the day's range. Whenever you are making your orders as a daily trader, hence the name daily. So you're looking at the day's range. I will usually look at the chart. I pay attention to the numbers, like I said, the ones that I mentioned, the the current active price. But for in our situation, we're attempting to purchase pre-market. So you always want to take a look at these views. Webull is limited in terms of how much you can view. As you will see, 4 hours is the maximum view on Webull. You will see that if you click here, they have somewhat of a different variety, but pretty close, I would say. Let's say that you want to look at 1 minute, and a lot of the times I will just go ahead and view it because I'm looking at the numbers. It's just easier to see. Just so you know, whenever you are looking here, this number right here is typically, if you hover your mouse away from the chart, you'll see the little number here next to the O. That's actually the active price. So you'll see the active price is this one. So that's how you know if you're looking at the chart. If you're asking to yourself, what is the current price for the stock? You basically just look at this number right here and, don't hover on it. Make sure that it's the 1 minute view. If you click the 4 hour view, you will see that that is not the correct number. You see that? If I put it back to the 1 minute view, you'll see that if you look at the current price at the moment, that's it, right? So that's it right here. So that's how you know. Extremely important to understand that whenever you are viewing the charts. Extremely important. A lot of the times, whenever you are using these tools, you will be looking at. So let me give you one quick example. Let's go here on markets. Let me change the view here. Um, Actually, it's this one. So you'll be looking at this right here. You will typically want to make your orders pre-market, but the thing is, if you're looking at these, what I always recommend is that you look it up on Yahoo Finance. So as an example, let's look up ALF at the moment. ALF, it's ALF. Okay, so you will see that if you're looking at this, you might be wondering, like, what is the current price, right? So that's my question. So as you will see, this is the pre-market, but that might be the previous day, and you'll see that the 52-week range. But that's kind of random information, right? So as you'll see, this is the current price at the moment. You'll see that it's on a huge negative trend at the moment. And you'll see that despite that, it's actually here on the list. So if we open it here and hover away, you will notice that it's actually the previous day. So that's actually why it was listed as one of the tops. So you'll see here at 4 p.m. when the market closed today, it closed really strong. You see that? Super strong, 108%. And it went down, it basically reversed this much plus this much. So it reversed 118, 119 back. And now it's at this price at the moment. Now, why is that important? Look at the day's price. So if I'm considering ordering this stock, what I know for a fact is that this stock really goes down, almost down to $9. But you might be wondering, is that for the day or not? So I will look at the 5 day range. So as an example, I will go here, look at the full screen, and I will ask myself the question, will it go down as low as $9? So that's the question that I asked myself. Uh, so what you will want to do is make sure that you are viewing the correct view. So I set it to 5 days. Um, and then you will